it's Ainsley. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry I'm holding my camera. I broke my mini tripod. This is what we're gonna have to deal with. But basically, this week's video, I have seen a bunch of people this whole quarantine like decluttering their closets and getting rid of ish that they don't really need, and like I desperately need to do that, so I'm like, let's turn it into a video. But basically today I'm gonna be taking everything out of my closet, deciding what I don't need to donate or all that kind of ish, sell, whatever, and I'm going to hopefully have a better organized system because currently there's a lot of stuff in there that is not organized. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Ainsley. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below. Go follow me on Instagram at Hey It's Ainsley. Let's get on to the video. Start off, I guess we'll do kind of like a haul, not like a haul, but like a tour of where everything is. I'm also leaning on, got this out of the basement to put everything on because I know if I throw everything on the ground I won't finish it, so I'm gonna kind of do it in like sections, I guess. Basically, like, this is my dresses, then my like tank tops, short sleeves, long sleeves, and then like hoodies, and then there's some jackets over there. These like rasps hold my bathing suits and other ish. It's pretty much all organized. Oh, and a bunch of t-shirts. And then up here is where like I just kind of throw everything. Like there's tie-dye shirts I still need to tie-dye, like it doesn't really need to be there. Over here is my shorts, and then my skirts, and then all my pants, which are kind of everywhere. And then over here are like pajamas and ish. And then up here I kind of organized a few weeks ago, just has like boots, but like I could organize it again. That would be flippin' fantastic. Okay, I think basically what I'm gonna start off with, I don't know if this angle is gonna change or not. I'm gonna start off by putting stuff on here and sorting through it. I kind of also wanted to make this video and not just do it by myself because I know I'll be way more accountable of getting rid of stuff I don't wear and has been in my closet for 2 years. Like, because like if I don't throw anything away, that's literally a useless video, so I'm desperately hoping I can get rid of stuff. Alright, here is rack number 1. Now let's get to it, and it's already breaking. Love that. Okay, so the first thing I'm obviously keeping, I wear this all the time in the summer. Sometimes, I don't know. I never really had an idea of what to wear it until I made my quarantine outfits video. You should totally watch that. This is it's a top from Garage. I wear it all the time, except I have to safety pin it at the back because it's a little low for my chest. I don't know, but I still really like it. There's a hole in the back for my safety pinning of it. I have a specific pair of pants for this outfit, so I feel like I have to keep it. This is just one of my brandy tops. I love a good old basic brandy top. I feel like everybody in the world has this top. I just got these tops literally in the mail 2 weeks ago. I'm keeping them. They're like, I used to go through this phase where I would order like the same shirt in 12 colors. I still do that, but like with just black and white. So I've gotten better at not randomly ordering stuff, but there are these. This is one of my favorite tube tops. This is my sister's. I like this top. It's like a mock neck. I find it very bougie. I got another brandy shirt, a Forever 21 crop shirt. I haven't gotten rid of anything yet, but I know I'm gonna get rid of it, I promise. Alright, I think I found my first thing I'm gonna get rid of. I got this in grade 10. It's like a Forever 21 tight shirt. I don't really like the color. I'm not the biggest wine red type of gal. So I think I'm going to, I guess, I don't know. Is this like, I don't know. Next is this. It's literally a large. I'm not a large. I don't know why I ordered a large. It's this long sleeve off the shoulder shirt. Not the biggest off the shoulder shirt gal anymore. So this is one of my Ron John shirts. Love these shirts. Good old Ivoryella shirt. Freaking love Ivoryella. Loved it since grade 8. I've had this literally since the beginning of my YouTube channel, so. Alright, I'm getting rid of this. I wore this every day in grade 9, not even kidding. Like, there's purple dye all over it. I have no idea how it got to this, but I wore this shirt all the time and I haven't worn it in 2 years. So I got this at the thrift store last year for like $4, but I never really wore it. So if I don't wear it, does that mean like I have to get rid of it? I don't know. All right, I'm gonna do a quick time lapse, plow through most of this stuff, and I will be back.
Pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a beat, bro. Whoa, whoa. I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us not a new, now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa.
And there is this rack. There, I've done this rack. There's kind of what it looks like. It's like so much more empty. I'll show you what I got rid of. It's literally this whole chair. I need to organize it still, but like there's like at least like I feel like 20 things. I feel like that's kind of good. So that's that half, and then next I'm gonna do this half. This jacket does not need to be in my closet. Neither does my grade 8 grad dress. That does not need to be in my closet.
Neighborhood on the scene, neighborhood on the strip, neighborhood be the name, neighborhood no crib, neighborhood that's me.
Alright, so now that both kind of parts I did are done, these are all my sweaters now, long sleeves. There's a lot of room here now to, you know, buy some new clothes. I recently just went through all these skirts, so I know they're good, and shorts and pants, so I'm just gonna kind of refold them so they look good, I guess.
No role play, my days off, that's no days. No hustle hard, young rose.
Okay, hi, welcome to day 2. It's literally a week later than when I filmed kind of the first part. So basically today all I'm gonna do is like the pajama side with everything there, and kind of refold all my t-shirts in my drawers because that's kind of the situation we're going on with. So I guess I'll kind of set up on a tripod and let's get to it again. Okay, so this is what we're kind of dealing with. It's 2 racks full of stuff, mostly big thick winter onesies that I don't really wear like 8 months of the year. I literally wear them for Christmas. So I think I'm gonna put them in one of my empty rack drawers or up here because I don't need them here, and I can use this shelf space for stuff other than that, I guess. I don't know. So I guess I'm gonna take everything out, decide what I don't wear. It's kind of what we'll do. So like literally I don't need these out in the open. Like, alright, so we went from both of these being overflowed with stuff to just that. I'm gonna try to fit that stuff into here now. Okay, hi, change of hair. This is like an hour later. But just finished that, put everything down there. It's all good. It's all organized. So now I kind of feel like I'm done organizing my closet. I feel like I made a really big progress. So I'll kind of do like, I don't think I did before and after, but kind of show you everything now. Shorts and skirts and pants were already organized, but like I have all that room now, and like that's, I don't think I ever did like a full what I'm getting kind of rid of. It's all of this clothing I'm gonna sell, donate majority of it. I don't know what I'm doing with this sad purple top yet. Yeah, that's kind of like a before and after of my closet. Pretty clean, pretty organized. I would say I'm pretty happy with it. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to let me know in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe, you know the deal, what every single YouTuber tells you to do at the end of a video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you next week for another video. Bye.